Hi, I'm Rick Stevens, Bio 230. The date is 3/18/2013. Different types of tissues is what we're discussing. The first is epithelial tissues, which are found in the airway, the GI tract, urinary reproductive system. The function is it's the body's first line of defense for protection from physical, chemical, biological wear and tear. It acts as the gatekeeper. It controls permeability and allows selective transfer of materials across the physical barrier. Its epithelial cells are part of the largest system in the body, which is the integumentary system. All are capable of secretion and release of mucus for specific compounds into the apical surfaces. There's different types of epithelial tissues. There's simple, stratified, squamous, cubital, and columnar, different types of tissue. The structure of the tissue is highly cellular with little to no extracellular material present between the cells, so it has a tight cell junction. Secondly is connective tissue. Major function is to connect tissues and connect tissues and organs. The cells are dispersed in a matrix. The matrix is a large amount of extracellular fluid extracellular material, produced by connective tissue cells embedded within the material. So that's how it's different from the epithelial cells. Is there's no extracellular fluid in epithelial cells, but there is in connective tissue. It functions by support and connect to other tissues. It protects the protection aspect of it, or the fibrous capsules that protect delicate organs and the skeletal system. They have special cells that defend the body from microorganisms, and they transport fluid, nutrients, and waste, as well as chemical messengers by special fluid connective tissue, also known as blood or lymph. Third is muscle tissue. It's characterized by its properties that allow movement. They are excitable and they respond to stimulus. There's three different types of muscle tissue. Skeletal tissue is makes up 40% of your body mass. It's attached to bone and is responsible for motion, posture, and voluntary movements. Secondly is cardiac muscle, which forms the contractile walls of the heart. Cells of the cardiac muscle are called cardiomyocytes. They're single-celled with single nucleus, and the way that they differ from other muscle tissue is that they are able to contract with their own intrinsic rate without an outside stimulation. Lastly, there is smooth muscle, which is responsible for involuntary movements of internal organs. It's found in the digestive tract, urinary tract, and the reproductive system. Lastly is nervous tissue. The thing that makes nervous tissue unique is that it's excitable and capable of sending and receiving electrochemical signals that provide the body with information. The two main classes of cells that make up nervous tissue are neurons and neuroglia. Neurons that send information via chemical impulses it's called an action potential. The neuroglia help the neurons by modulating and the sending of the information to the outlying body. That's all I have. Thank you very much.